Hello, and in this tutorial we're going to show how to use the Magic Leap controllers. Really quickly here, we'll see that we have three buttons. We have a bumper, we have a trigger, we have our home button, and we have our tracker pad. So the first thing that we're going to do here is we press the home button. And what that allows for is to begin to move up and down on all the different menu options. When you pick a menu option that you are satisfied with, you click the bumper and you're able to then put your thumb on the tracker pad and move the model to where you want to. Now you hit the bumper again and you can move to vertical, and with your thumb on the tracker pad going up and down, you can move the model to where you want it. Now again, bumper, and the same thing for rotation. Hit bumper and you can spin the model to where you need to. You hit bumper again to go back to the menu. If we want to go to scale, we hit the bumper again and we're able to make the building much larger, and we're able to bring it back down again to be much smaller. So hit the bumper again to disengage. We hit the bumper for sun, and you'll see that we can turn the building from night to day. And what I'm doing here to make this really fast is I pull the trigger, I hold it, and I move my thumb, and that allows the shadows to move along the building. Now we also built in the ability to move between different models, and on version what we do is we hit the bumper and that moves to all the different building models, from the warehouse to the new model warehouse, and here again. There you go. Enjoy. And to escape, we just hit the home button once to go back here, and then I hold the home button for a few seconds, and that brings us back. To close all apps, you hold the home button for 4 seconds, and I can close all apps. And there we go. Enjoy.